So in this video I'm going to show you how could you install Google Chrome on Ubuntu operating system. So to install Chrome, just go to default browser and now search for Google Chrome. Now click on this link. So now click on this option, download Chrome. Now select the first option and click accept and install. So now save this file. So as you can see here, our file has been downloaded. So now open terminal. Just wait a moment, I'll zoom it. So now type cd downloads. So now we are in the downloads directory. Now type ls and copy this. Now type sudo dpkg-i and now paste it. Now type your password, root password. So the process of installation has been finished. So now you can use Google Chrome.